Welcome to the Business Blogging Workshop, where I take you through the entire process of creating a winning blog post that your customers will love and that will help you get more attention online. My name is Tom Trainer, and I'm the founder of RightMix Marketing. I currently work as the Director of Content Marketing at a VC-funded startup, and I've written for major blogs such as Copyblogger, ProBlogger, and Social Media Today. My typical blog posts get hundreds and sometimes thousands of shares online. This is an introductory course for marketers, business owners, students, and consultants who want to get more industry attention, who would like to get more clients, and who want to get more traffic from social media as well as search engine optimization. Because my goal is to get you up to speed very quickly, I teach you how to get into the minds of your ideal clients, and then based on that, how to come up with winning blog post ideas. Once we have that, I teach you how to structure your posts and how to come up with the content in the post, as well as what are the key elements that you can't forget. I also provide access to free keyword tools as well as a bunch of different sites to get free, great stock photography to make your blog posts look great. During the course, I also offer opportunities to get feedback on your headline ideas as well as on your final blog post or even draft blog post. I also provide a module on 5 easy ways to come up with content for your blog with very little effort. So this is a course designed for marketers, for business owners, for consultants, or for students who are online but are just not quite getting the traction that they need for their business. And if you're as excited about the course as I am, I hope you click enroll, and I would love to see you on the inside.